Hi, my name's Lauren, and this is The Rack, where we level up together. Today we're going to be talking about how to look like a model and how to act like a model. So let's jump right in.
The Rack!
So the first tip we're going to talk about today is posture. And I'm not even sitting up straight. It's really hard to remember, but it's something very important in the modeling industry. So there's a couple ways to train your back muscles to make sure that you don't curve your back. You can do seated rows with a resistance band. You're gonna pull back and pinch your back muscles so they can reinforce the muscle back there to make sure you're sitting up straight. Another thing to do is chin tucks. It's not too attractive, but you tuck your chin like that. So you press your chin back 10 times to help yourself gain some neck muscles. Another thing you can do is when you're at your desk using your laptop, always make sure that it's directly in front of you, so no body twisting, and you can't have your neck out like that, because a lot of people are doing work like that, and it's gonna strain your neck and make you have bad posture. Also, a lot of people use their phones like this, to put their neck down and they're hunched over. You wanna make sure to focus on keeping your phone at eye level and having your neck tucked in. So your neck isn't strained, and it will also reinforce the neck muscles. Also, when you're driving, you want to make sure that your head is back on the seat, because a lot of people drive like this, and that's also another thing that's not good for posture. So the second thing I'm going to talk to you about today is professional appearance. So you want to go into a booking opportunity looking professional. Not like what I'm wearing right now, no rips in your jeans, no rips in your jacket. Wear something appropriate and professional. Also, you want to have your hair in place, because if you're on set and your hair is all wacky, you're not going to have a good picture and you're going to look messy for your employer. So it's very important to always check in the mirror and make sure everything's in place. You also want to show up to a booking opportunity with your face as a blank canvas, because your employer wants to see what they can do with your natural beauty, not with your face covered in makeup. Your face is a canvas, and they want to see what they can do with it. Next thing I want to talk about is eye contact. It's really important going into booking opportunity that you make eye contact with your employer, because it shows you have confidence, and it's also kind of intimidating, so it makes them respect you a little bit more. When you go into a booking opportunity, you should wear natural clothing, so maybe black or nude pants, black or nude tank top, black or nude shoes. Everything black or nude, so they can see your natural color and your natural look and stance. The last big topic I want to talk about is positioning in photo shoots. So when you're in a photo shoot, you should always accentuate your neck and play with your height, because it's very important to trick the camera into thinking you're taller than you are. You always want to be fluid with a camera. You want to move around and always do different positions, because it gets a little boring sometimes when you're just standing there like a robot. Also, same goes with emotions. If you have just one emotion on your face, it tends to get boring, it looks like you don't really care, you're not into it. So always switch up your emotions and always smile with your eyes, not with your mouth. You are a model, so you are going to accentuate the clothing, and you have to make sure you're selling it. So always make sure to make the clothing be the star in the photo shoot and not you. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below if you learned something, or if you have any tips and tricks for me. Follow us on our social medias and like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.